Number 5. DJI Action 4, the best GoPro alternative for all your action-packed adventures. With impeccable image quality and unparalleled low-light performance, this 4K action camera captures every adrenaline-pumping moment in stunning detail. The large 1.3-inch sensor ensures that whether it's day or night, your footage will be crystal clear. Plus, the 10-bit and D-Log M color performance feature elevates your shots, delivering vivid, true-to-life colors that will impress your audience. One of the biggest advantages of the DJI Action 4 is its long-lasting power, even in extreme cold temperatures. You can trust that this reliable action camera won't let you down, recording up to 50 minutes non-stop. With its 4K at 120 fps and 55 degrees ultra-wide FOV, you can capture high-resolution footage that immerses you in the action. But what sets the DJI Action 4 apart is its magnetic quick-release feature, allowing you to effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical shots. Additionally, the 3 stabilization modes ensure steady footage, no matter how rugged the terrain or daring the stunts. While the DJI Mimo app compatibility issue may be a drawback, the DJI Action 4 makes up for it with its impressive features and performance. Overall, this action camera is a worthy rival to GoPro, offering exceptional image quality, long-lasting power, and unmatched creative freedom. Don't miss out on capturing your thrilling moments. Check out the DJI Action 4 now.